Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and hardware. Plug the charger into a known working outlet and a second outlet to rule out the wall. Then inspect the connector and cable for bends, frayed insulation, or debris, because even slight damage breaks current flow. Make sure the adapter wattage matches your MacBook Air model and is Apple certified. Incorrect or low wattage can appear as not charging. Once done, move to the next step with the cable connected and the machine powered off. Now you reset the system that controls charging. First, shut down the MacBook Air and unplug the charger for about 15 seconds to clear transient states. Then perform the proper SMC or System Power Controller reset for your specific model. Use the manufacturer key sequence for T2 or non-T2 Max, because this resets low-level power logic that often fixes charging recognition. After the reset, reconnect the charger and power on. Check the battery menu and LED. Finish by verifying the charger itself. Try a known good charger and cable and swap USB-C ports if available, because port faults or adapter failure are common. If the indicator still fails, boot into safe mode or reset NVRAM to rule out software interference that prevents battery reporting. If none of these steps restore charging, replace the adapter or cable, and if necessary, contact authorized service. Make sure you document symptoms, tests performed, and LED or system messages to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.